Don't obsess over stopping your thoughts. When I speak to people who have little to no experience with meditation, they frequently say something like, "Oh, I wouldn't be very good at meditating. I have too many thoughts racing through my head." Or, "I've tried meditating, but for some reason I can't stop my thoughts." This is true of mostly everyone, and only very, very advanced meditators can reach that point where you might say that their thoughts have stopped. Fortunately, you do not need to stop your thoughts to achieve great things with meditation. Recognizing that your mind is racing and jumping from one thought to the next is actually a sign of progress. You're starting to see part of the problem, rather than it simply lingering in the background of your day-to-day life. Different Buddhist cultures have special labels for this, such as the monkey mind or the waterfall mind.